it's Todd Bachman once again with Mosby Building Arts on site at a kitchen we recently completed a remodel of, and I just wanted to walk through some of the highlights of the kitchen remodel. So first we removed 2 walls to open up the kitchen and make it flow better, and then we also remodeled the entire space as well. Some of the things I wanted to highlight are the kitchen island that we put in. Now we actually put in 2 kitchen islands, one in the main portion of the kitchen and then also another one that's used as a dining area as well. Some really interesting features are this is an old city home, has radiator heat. So we moved the radiators to a couple of the cabinetry areas, one in the island, the big island, and then the other in the bar area as well. So this is a pretty interesting way of making sure the house has the radiated heat that it needs, but also hiding it as well so it's not visible all the time. The bar area features a beautiful butcher block countertop and also a really fun and unique glass tile backsplash as well. Another highlight of this kitchen that really ties the whole design together, I think, is the lighting. Some great lighting over the island as well as the dining room table. And then also, another great feature is that, as you can see, the kitchen islands are navy blue while the rest of the kitchen is white. So this makes those islands pop and stand out more, and then also adds a splash of color to the rest of the kitchen. I hope you found this video interesting and fun, and maybe you got some inspiration for your own kitchen as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.